get something straight. This is not sunburn. This is not sunburn. This is what we call melasma. So many people have been getting it confused. Some are even saying sunburn is same as melasma. If you've heard that before, that is a complete wrong information. Melasma and sunburn are two different things. Sunburn, as the name implies, sunburn, meaning that you've exposed your skin to the sun rays and it has burnt your skin. So if you're light in complexion or you're a white person, it looks like this on a white person and it looks like this on a black person. You're going to be experiencing burning sensation. Your skin is going to feel tight. Your skin is going to feel hot. You will feel uncomfortable because the sun has burnt your skin. This is not the same thing as melasma. For sunburn, your skin has gone through trauma, and that is why you're feeling all these things. Now, to treat your sunburn, you need ingredients like honey, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera gel that will help to soothe your sunburn. Even if your sunburn heals and it leaves dark patches or it leaves a dark mark, it is still not melasma. It is what we call post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And this is the kind of hyperpigmentation that your skin experiences as a result of trauma, as a result of inflammation. So if you're having acne and then your acne heals and it leaves a dark spot, it is known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. If you get fireburn or you cut yourself or you injure yourself or anything that has to do with trauma on your skin and it goes or it heals and leaves a dark patch or a dark mark, it is known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation can be treated with vitamin C, niacinamide, licorice extract, like all these mild tyrosinase inhibitors. But you see, melasma is a chronic hyperpigmentation. In fact, it is the most difficult hyperpigmentation to fade. So if you're treating melasma as sunburn, you're not going to see results. If you're treating melasma as PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, you are still not going to see results. Your vitamin C will not do anything for your melasma. Your niacinamide will not do anything for your melasma. Neither would aloe vera gel or hyaluronic acid or honey do anything for melasma. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you are going to get rid of your melasma for good, permanently. Now, there is treatment and there is maintenance when it comes to melasma. If you treat your melasma and you don't maintain your results, you are going to go back to square one. So if this sounds like something that interests you, see, I urge you to watch this video from start to finish. Don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss out on any vital information. I'll be sharing with you a very powerful product that will help you with your melasma and clear your melasma for good. And I'll be sharing with you how you're going to use this product to get good results. So this is one video that I do not advise you skip or you fast forward. So hi guys, my name is Blossom Chinwe and I talk about skincare. I give skincare recommendations, I do product review, I share tips on how to get a clear and glowing skin. So if this sounds like something that resonates with you, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share to your family and friends. If you have any questions whatsoever, ask them in the comment section, and without further ado, let us jump right into this video. Please don't forget guys that we are open for skincare consultation. So if you want to get consultation services from a skincare expert, someone that knows our onions when it comes to skincare, kindly book a consultation service with me. I'm going to leave a link on my description box. Click on the link, it will take you straight up to my Instagram and then we can talk more. Now back to the matter. What is melasma? Melasma is a chronic skin condition that is usually symmetrical and leaves dark patches on your face, your chin, your jaw. It mostly occurs on the face and it is mostly symmetrical. What do I mean by it being symmetrical? It appears like twins on your face. So it could be here and here, here and here, here and here, like it always comes in twos. And it is a very severe form of hyperpigmentation. Melasma is like that your ex that has refused to let you be, even when you say, I don't want to do again. This is how stubborn and how chronic melasma is. It is usually grayish or brown in color and it is always confused for other things like sunburn. So that was basically why I had to clarify in the beginning of this video that melasma is not sunburn. There are two different things and they demand two different approaches to solve them. So don't get it twisted. Now, what causes melasma? There are two major causes of melasma, hormonal or genetics. But the major cause of melasma is always hormonal. That is why it always occurs in women pregnant women, people with hormonal imbalance, people taking hormonal drugs or contraceptives. These are the people that are more prone to melasma. Now, so many people believe that sun causes melasma, and that is why they always attribute it to sunburn. No, the sun doesn't directly cause melasma, but it is one of the triggers. In fact, it is the major trigger of melasma. Another thing that can trigger melasma is heat. So if you're always staying in the kitchen, if you're always staying in a very hot area or a very hot environment, it could trigger melasma. Another one is using harsh products. All these are melasma triggers. So what this means is that you might be prone to melasma, but if you avoid all these triggers, melasma may not appear on your skin. Now, because melasma is a very severe form of hyperpigmentation, it needs severe treatment. It needs like very strong tyrosinase inhibitors. Now, tyrosinase inhibitors are ingredients that help to suppress melanin on your skin. And when I mean strong tyrosinase inhibitors, I don't mean vitamin C or licorice extract or niacinamide. I mean ingredients like hydroquinone. Yes, hydroquinone is not your enemy. It is you that makes hydroquinone your enemy by abusing it. Hydroquinone is the gold standard hyperpigmentation treatment. Now, some of you might say, no, I don't want to use hydroquinone. No, hydroquinone is bad. I agree. Hydroquinone can be scary, but it can also be very useful to you, especially when you use it the right way. There are also other ingredients that you can use if you don't want to use hydroquinone. We have azelaic acid, we have tranexamic acid, and the rest. I'm going to leave them on the screen. But if I'm to be honest, if you want to treat your melasma, like I mentioned, melasma is a very chronic and severe form of hyperpigmentation. So if you know that you want to treat your melasma, hydroquinone is what you should use. Now, there is this product I'll be recommending. This is the Tri-Luma. It contains 4% of hydroquinone, it contains 0.5% of tretinoin, and it contains steroids. Yes, it contains steroids. Now, this is not something you should use if you have like small spot, like small discoloration here and there on your face. As a matter of fact, if you know that you're going to be tempted to use this particular product for that your small dark spots or that your minor dark patches on your skin, please just skip this video. Instead of you to tempt yourself to buying product that you don't need, just skip this video. But if you actually have melasma and you're looking for a solution to your problem, keep watching and watch till the end, because these products can be your best friend and can also be your worst enemy. You need to watch to the end so that you don't miss any vital information, because I'll be dropping tips here and there on how to use this product. Now, this is the major product that will do the major work in suppressing melanin production on your skin, but you will need other things like sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. You cannot treat melasma without using sunscreen. In fact, if you're going to be using this Tri-Luma cream, you need sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. And not just using sunscreen, you need to limit sun exposure. Wear protective clothing, carry your umbrella, make sure that your skin is getting full protection during the day. So in the morning, this is how your skincare routine should look like. After you cleanse, if you have a toner, you can make use of it. Then you go in with your antioxidant serum, either your vitamin C or your niacinamide or your T3 serum, any of the serums. Use them in the morning. Then follow up with a good broad spectrum sunscreen. Don't go and use a glorified moisturizer. And then don't forget to reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Then at night is when you use your treatment product, which is this Tri-Luma cream. If you know you don't have strength for sunscreen, please don't use this product. If you are pregnant or you're breastfeeding, don't use this product because it contains hydroquinone and steroids. And these ingredients are not good for pregnant or nursing mothers. Now, if you're going to be using this Tri-Luma, you don't need to use any other actives, okay? This alone is enough. It is really strong and it is very effective. Now, if you're starting off with this Tri-Luma cream, start off by using it like 2 to 3 times in a week, just so that your skin can build tolerance, because it contains tretinoin and it contains hydroquinone and steroids. Your skin needs to build tolerance before you start using it every day. So I'm going to suggest that from the first 1 to 3 weeks, use it like 2 to 3 times in a week. Then after 3 weeks, once you notice that your skin has adjusted fully to it, you can now increase to using it once every night. Now, when you want to use this product, you're going to cleanse using a mild and a gentle cleanser. Then you're going to use your toner. Then you're going to apply this treatment cream. Now, after applying this Tri-Luma cream, you're going to let it sit on your skin for about 15 minutes before going in with your moisturizer. You're going to layer it with a very, very good, calm, hydrating, barrier-friendly moisturizer. Now, if you're going to be using this product, you need to be very, very, very cautious. Limit sun exposure. Wear your sunscreen if you must expose your skin to the sun, and always reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Don't use this product for more than 2 to 3 months. Now, this is where people have issue when it comes to hydroquinone. Overusing it, abusing it. Hydroquinone can turn from your best friend to your worst enemy. So if you're going to be using this product, use with caution. Don't exceed 2 to 3 months. And even if you want to continue using this product after that 2 to 3 months, take a break for another 2 to 3 months and then you continue with it. But I believe that from the first 2 to 3 months, you should get your results, because this is a very, 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 very strong treatment cream. When you be taking a break, it doesn't mean that you should just stop doing your skincare, or you should just stop using products that will help to suppress the melanin. Because if you completely stop, your melasma is going to come back, and it might even come back ×2. This is where maintenance comes in. Maintenance is super, super important when treating melasma. Now, you can maintain your skin with ingredients like alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, tranexamic acid. All these are mild ingredients that you can use for a very long time without side effects. So when you'll be taking your break, or if you're going to completely stop using this Tri-Luma, you can use the ordinary alpha-arbutin, or you can use kojivit, but ensure to have a tyrosinase inhibitor that will help to maintain your melasma-free skin. And also, don't forget your sunscreen. Even if you treat your melasma and then you stop using your sunscreen and you always go under the sun, your melasma is going to come back. Now, please, this is not for everybody. Like I said earlier, it is for people with severe hyperpigmentation like melasma. So if you have like minor discoloration, your chemical exfoliants or your vitamin C, your niacinamide, your licorice extract, your alpha-arbutin can solve it for you. You don't need to go this extra. This product is for people that have like severe or stubborn hyperpigmentation. So guys, this is how you're going to fade your melasma and prevent it from coming back. Guys, I hope you found this video really, really helpful. If you have any question whatsoever, please also do it to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to try my best to answer all your questions. If you want me to walk you through your skincare journey, if you want me to give you a personalized routine, if you want me to be your skincare coach, kindly send a DM to book a consultation service with me. I promise you are not going to regret it. And my rates, very, very affordable. Send me a DM and let's work together. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Like this video so that this video would reach the right audience. Share to your family and friend, that person that has been going through stubborn hyperpigmentation without solution. Share this video to him or her. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a beautiful week. Bye.